Hello, everyone, and welcome. In the past few years, I've been making less and less cards using what I would call the typical card making supplies, like stamps, dies, stencils, and so on. So I thought for the first card of the year, which is a Valentine's Day card, let's use some more traditional card making products. More specifically, solid stamps and die inks. I don't even know when was the last time I used those inks. I gathered all of my dye inks. I have 34 mini inks, which is not that many. I always felt I'm missing a color when it comes to the inks. But I never had the need to buy more, as I never really used them. But that has changed for this card. I picked 3 inks in different shades of red. Then I picked this stamp set with multiple solid hearts. I also have a stamp set with a greeting and acrylic blocks. All of these products are old, for sure not available, but there are so many products sold out there, you should definitely be able to get something similar to create same design. So, enough yapping about other things, let's talk about this card. The idea for this card is very simple. Stamping the heart in different shades of the same color. I also was using hearts in different sizes, but you can just use one size. Even though my card will be pretty filled, most of the hearts I stamped at the top of the card and slightly reused the amount towards the bottom, leaving the bottom completely empty for the greeting. This part is up to you. You can fill it up as much as you want or as little as you want. You can even fill the whole background. Also, the colors are up to you, of course. At the end, I will show you one more color combo, which I really like. I will show you the whole stamping process with a little bit of music. If you like this idea, make sure you give this video a like, and I will be back in a bit to finish up the card. The stamping is done. Next, I die cut the panel using a stitched rectangular die. I like to add a nice border to the panel. Often I just use golden watercolors and paint the edges. As I mentioned earlier, I created another background with a different color combo. The yellow and purple inks were just screaming at me. I thought it will be a good color combo, and I think they do work well together. What do you think? For the greeting, I wanted to use more neutral words that don't necessarily scream Valentine's Day, so you can use it for other occasions as well. I used this stamp that says hugs and kisses, and I decided to shape the stamp into an arch just to match the bottom shape of the stamped background. And I stamped it with a black ink. I had to restamp because I was using a pretty old VersaFine ink pad. I actually lost my newer pad. I have no idea where I put it. How can I lose something like that? I'm pretty sure it will reveal itself eventually. For the card base, I decided to use a card base made out of a craft cardstock. I think it complements the background very well. and I adhered it using a double-sided tape. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't mind me using all the products. I just wanted to use products that I haven't used much, and I had a lot of fun. My problem is that I don't use latest products. Often I use products that are discontinued or not available internationally, and these videos don't get many views. So I had to approach my card making differently, but I also like to come back and use more traditional products. If you would like to see more Valentine's Day cards, check out the full playlist. It should be on your screens now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you in my next video.